The summer camp, of course, we invite high school students from Alabama, Louisiana, as well as all over Mississippi. We want you to know and understand the process of how something goes together. There is a process as simple as building a birdhouse, as complex as building a hospital.
We're always trying to recruit people. One of the guys that was here today, Chase, he's a graduate of the USM Construction Management Program. So I think anything we can do to spark interest from people that are interested in the construction business, we're just introducing them to MMC.
There's so many avenues in construction you can go to. So I would say just experience as much as you can and go to camps like this so you can actually see what happens on a day-to-day. Being involved in things like this allows you to see firsthand what your maybe next 5 to 10 years will look like after graduating.
One of the things that we love so much with our partnership with Southern is we're allowed to take part in the students' education by providing an internship.
Now's the time in their life where they get to make choices. We just appreciate being able to be on their journey and help them maybe decide if they want to join this industry, and being as transparent as we can with what we do day to day helps them make better informed choices.
When you bring them in here and you see that light come on, that's what I get out of it. I get to watch them grow, and I get to see them understand that there's people here that care about them.
We've been blessed to grow very quickly year over year, so we're constantly looking for great people, and we've found some of our best talent here at Southern Miss.
This summer camp program for the high school students is a fantastic way to provide knowledge and experience to young high school students. Construction is an exciting career. So many opportunities in this field as they grow in college and into their careers for a lifetime.
A part of this is being creative, being able to communicate your ideas, to be able to speak the right language to the right people.
I'm very committed to the goal of these students recognizing the opportunity for a career in the arts, and the design programs at the University of Southern Mississippi are perfect opportunities for students to find a way to advance their artistic desires and have a great career.
For a lot of them, this is their first time to be in a lab. And so they get a grasp of what it's like to actually do something and have a project that they can be proud of.